guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is another part of my cleaning series that I'm doing right now, especially that now we're staying home, and you know, for those of you who have time on your hands or need something to do, you can always clean. So hopefully this video serves as some motivation. This video is all about doing some spring cleaning, so we're going to tackle some areas that doesn't get tackled quite often. So I do hope you enjoy. If you do and you like the series, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you're new here, my name is Angel and I share all things lifestyle. So go ahead and subscribe so that you don't miss any of my videos. So if you're gonna clean with me, go on and grab your cleaning stuff and let's get cleaning together. All right guys, so I'm gonna start in here in my kitchen. I'm gonna start with wiping my cabinets down. You know, our cabinets don't get wiped down a lot of times and they do accumulate grease and dirt from my fingers. So it's great to just clean them down, you know, every so often. And because our kitchen is very big, we have lots and lots and lots of cabinets. So yeah, you know, it's definitely taking a lot of elbow grease. It's like a workout. So I'm now going to deep clean my trash cans because our trash cans do get very dirty. And I'm starting out by vacuuming the bottom of them because, you know, little particles fall in the bottom. After I vacuum them out, I'm just going to go ahead and wipe them down. And I'm using this deodorizer and disinfectant called Odor Band. I got this product from my girl Nadia. It's styled by Casanova. She recommended it to me and I'm so glad she did because I do love it. It takes out all of those odors, you know, that a trash can have. I also use it in my dog's bathroom. It works great and kills odors. So I'm making sure just to wipe down the inside and the outside. Moving on to my dining room. So we don't use the dining room often. You know, we do use it for special occasions, but because we don't use it often, dust definitely accumulates in here. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and just wipe everything down in here. And I'm using the glass cleaner spray away again in here because everything is mirrored. So it works great for all my mirrored furniture. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dust everything down. The hubs loves to vacuum, so he's gonna come in here and do his thing and vacuum this room. He's such a great help. And the last thing I'm gonna do is get our stairs and vacuum them down and get all the dog hair and all off. Again, I'm using my Dyson and I just changed out the end handle. Sometimes I do like to sprinkle the carpet with our baking soda island scent powder because it just leaves a really amazing smell in your home and it takes out any odors, but I don't use it all the time. I use it sparingly. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to leave me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you guys are enjoying my spring cleaning series. Also tell me some of the things that you like to tackle in your spring cleaning. And I'll see you guys in my next video.